What's up, world? KLO Mundo, it's your man, Action TV, coming live from somewhere in sunny Florida. Man, every time I go to Tampa, Ybor City, I have a fabulous, marvelous time. Went walking through the streets of Ybor, very lively place, man. So you guys check this video out. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and also after you watch this video, please like and subscribe. Goddamn drinking.
You already know,
Big
C, Collierville, baby, gang. Don't fuck with these niggas be hate. Spin on that hateful gang.
Man, y'all fighting up, boy. What's up? KLO Mundo, it's your man, Action TV, coming live from Ybor City, Tampa, Florida. This is the first weekend after the hurricane, after that horrible Hurricane Ian came through. Really messed up some places, man, so prayers up to those people that were affected. But you know, this is the first weekend after the hurricane. It looks like people are back outside, back out in the streets, tired of being cramped up, you know, bunkering down. So we're gonna walk through, see what it is, man. Get your popcorn and let's enjoy. You know, strangely, after Hurricane Ian, the temperature, the weather, it's like it suddenly became fall. I mean, before the hurricane, it was, you know, it was hot, you know, 90, 95, 100 degree heat index during the day, sticking hot at night. But somehow, some reason, man, the hurricane came through and this fall weather's right here, right now, outside at night. It feels pretty good, pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? But Ybor, back to Ybor. It's always a pretty lively place. I like it, you know what I'm saying? You come out, have a good time, have some drinks. Always heavy police presence to stop the knuckleheads and the fools who want to cause some mayhem. Still have like maybe fist fights and things of that nature, but nothing too serious going on. You know, come out, have some drinks, feel relatively safe. But, you know, I always want to be outside, nightlife, always keep your head on the swivel. Guys and gals, you know what I'm saying? That's for sure. Yeah, man, when I come out here, they have lots of parking, so I just, really, Ybor City is one big street, one big stretch of street with all the bars and clubs, mostly on that one street, so you can park it pretty much. I usually park on one end, then I just walk the thing out, you know what I'm saying, so I can get in, good view and vibe of everything. Or if you're going to a particular place, you know what I'm saying, it's easy to find parking close to where you're going. You can get where you're going to go and get what you're doing and do. Yeah, just walk around, see what's going on.
So put me on that bit, man.
Okay, you got a camera, shit, I speak. You got a DSLR.
It's your boy Tellin Wayne, man, live on Channel T7, man. Fuck with my boy.
What's up?
What's your name?
Sean, man, Action TV.
Y'all fuck with Sean,
Action
man.
TV.
Action TV, man.
Appreciate it.
All day, every day. Live in Tampa, Florida.
You got a YouTube?
Yeah, Tellin Wayne, Channel T7.
Tellin Wayne, how you spell it out?
TELLEMWAYE, Tellin Wayne.
Okay.
Follow me on Instagram, Tellin Wayne too. Shout to Sean.
Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna check it out.
All day, man.
I like this shit, man. A lot of action. A lot of shit going on. Females.
Yeah.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? It's probably the most action you're gonna see in one space, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I be in Orlando, you know, it's kind of similar down there, but you know, Ybor, I think a lot of people got a lot of interest in Ybor though, you know what I'm saying? I see in some camps they be doing like kind of game show type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ask girls, when the last time you had sex? All that kind of stuff.
That's what me and my partner trying to do right now.
Bro, yeah.
Y'all still at the same spot? I was looking for JD ass. Okay, I'm coming right now. Yeah. That's what we trying to do right now type shit.
Get it up, man. Hey, do that, then you put it on like, TikTok?
Yeah.
That shit get a lot of views on TikTok and shit, you know what I mean? Have fun, man. Yeah, man. It's always a lot of cool cats out here, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people doing their thing. It's good to see, you know what I'm saying? I like the energy out here. It's good vibe. Yeah, man, there's also a bunch of dope cigar shops down here, handmade, Cuban type cigars. You'll find smoke, a lot of restaurants and stuff too, man. So get your smoke on, get your eat on. Ooh. YouTube, man, you know what I'm saying? It's vlogging and stuff like that, you know what I mean?
Oh, that's cool as fuck.
A lot of action out here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, there's a fight over there.
Fight?
Yeah, a little white midget, like my size, and some guy. And he stuck him and made him sleep. The white guy. He fucking hit him so hard. He's like, yeet, yeet, yeet.
That nigga must have been like UFC or some shit.
Oh, swear to God, he was.
I seen the ambulance going down there. That's what it was.
Cause he was sleeping on the floor. He was sleeping on the floor. Couldn't get up.
Goddamn. Where y'all boys from, man? Y'all here, goddamn drinking.
You already know. Big C, Collierville, baby, gang. Don't fuck with these niggas be hate. Spin on that some hateful gang.
Man, y'all fighting up, boy. You got that gas, that juice on you right there.
That juice, boy. Hey, we sipping that drink.
I feel you.
You know what we think. Come on now.
I feel you. Y'all don't even care. What's up the lights though?
Big C, Collierville. What time is it? Alright, they close down at like 2 o'clock.
Like 1 or 2.
Yeah, it's like 1:40, so they're already closing down.
Yeah. Shit, nice for a lot of these females out here.
That's what we're saying. We're trying to step on some bitches. That's crazy. Alright, look. Look at that. Oh, beat his ass. Like, what the fuck? And still his bitch. Right from him.
You got a lot of art.
If she was pretty, bro, I would have been over there and fucking yink. Gone. Go to sleep, buddy.
Action TV. You know what I'm saying? Action TV, yeah.
On YouTube?
Yeah. YouTube and Instagram, you know what I'm saying? I used to be out filming shit. Made shit now, so I there, goddamn spring break. Bitches in bikinis. Nice.
I'm drunk. I can't drink nothing else right now.
I got YouTube stuff.
Yeah, I got YouTube and shit. I'm a rapper.
What's your YouTube? Tell what you do, man. Tell what you do.
D-Sab, D-E-E-S-A-B. Capitalize the D and capitalize the S.
Okay.
Feel me?
Okay.
Go look me up on all platforms.
Okay.
D-Sab, Topic.
Okay.
Feel me? Dropping shit. I'm up
Go check it, man.
Feel me?
Yeah. Where y'all get that from? Liquor store? Oh, she can sell, that's how I do in New York. They can sell like the juices on the street. Yeah, that's what. Say Florida man, you see Florida man on the news. Hey, this how we start out, guys. In Tampa is definitely lit. Enjoying life for real. saying? Yeah, man, that's Club Prana right there. It's about 4 or 5 different levels, different kinds of music on each level. A lot of people, you know what I'm saying? It's one of the best spots to go to in Ybor. If you really want to experience Tampa, see the nightlife, lifestyle, all that good stuff, man. A lot of nice things out here. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of people out tonight, a lot of energy. You know what I'm saying? The hurricane came, you know what I mean? People outside. People don't want to be stuck in the house, depressed, terrified by what they see in the news. People want to get out, enjoy life. You know what I'm saying? Have some drinks, get some fresh air. You know what I'm saying? It's good stuff. What's up, player? How many CCs in this thing, man? 1,000. Woo! Woo! Like that speed on it. Very lively life after the hurricane, man. People out having a good time, chilling, free. Guys, ladies and gents, I think I'm about to wrap this one up for a quick minute. Go grab me a couple drinks, couple of cervezas. Like and subscribe, man. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep them coming. Check out what I got coming up next. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this information to be useful, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Gracias.